So you want to do the digital marketing, there are the certain simple steps you need to follow that so that you will become successful in the digital marketing. So what are those? It will applicable to the even medium scale business or small scale business. So any like business is concerned. Like these are the simple steps you should be following. First thing is like objective. Define the objective of campaigns. What is your objective? Objective will be three things. Either it will be like awareness campaign, or should be the consultation campaigns, or should be the conversion campaign. Awareness in the sense you are creating the awareness about your product and services in your target market. That's awareness. Consultation is you're going a little bit deep and you are actually creating a desire or the interest in the mind of the customers. That's the consultation campaign. Conversion campaign, you want to sell your product or services in the market. That is a conversion campaign. This is the first thing. Second thing is you're defining your customer or target customer or target customer persona. Why this is required? So like if you wanted to sell everybody and you end up with the selling nobody. So you should be very specific to that. What is the person you want to sell them? So that you define by the demographic like age, gender and the locations, also for the psychography. Like an habit and patterns, playing patterns, all this stuff. You can go to the little bit deeper as well nowadays. Like with the content they are consuming or maybe the movies they were watching, the particular affiliation they have that. So the website they visit, all this stuff you can take into considerations. It's like after this, so what you do that you can do the SWOT analysis. In the sense, you have to define that what is your strength as in the industry and what you have strength in the industry and what market is offering you the opportunity. And what is your weakness and what is threat is there market is offering you to your industry. So to use your strength and you have to engage with the opportunity the market is offering. That is a good way to do that. You also do not competitors, but like industry top leaders. You have to analyze that. So what is the framework they follow that, which they made him to become the leader. So that it will helpful to you that when you start a campaign. So what are the things you should be adopt that? So instead of starting with zero, you should be starting with somewhere in the learning curve. Okay, this is another step. So after this, we will find out that once we define the persona and we will define where these guys are there in the online. So in the sense what keywords they will search for, what Facebook group they are there, or LinkedIn group they are associated with that, what emails they read, whatever the emails they read, whatever the emails they subscribe to that, what the blogs they read and the video content they read, all these things we will define that. So this is why this is required. So further down the line, after once we know that where these people are there, then it will easy for us to target them. It will easy for us to put our message in front of them. That is the reason we will identify the researching that where they are being online. Okay. After these things, we will define the budget. So what is our budget for the campaign? So is it we are running with the tight budget, or we are flexible, or we are going with the aggressive? These things defined. This also helps us to choose your communication channel down the line. So, example, if you somebody is you want to reach the people searching for your product and service in the Google, there is two ways to do that. There is a couple of ways. Out of that, there is two ways in a simple ways. One is either you can do it with the search engine optimization, or you can do it with the search engine marketing. In the simple ways. You can also do the banner ads. You can also do the content. You can read that all the stuff is there anyway. So initially this is the way our budget will be depend upon our budget. We will identify the communication channel. After the budget, we will come to the communication channels. What communication channel we will use in the campaigns? So communication channel is the vehicle to reach the customer. So what is the vehicle you use? Is it you are using the search engine marketing? Are you using the search engine optimization? Are you using social media campaigns? Social media campaigns either two ways. Either you are doing the organic reach by posting to reaching the people, or you are using the paid ads to reach the people. So what is your way? Is it you are writing any content or publishing the content? Going with the content promotion. So are you going with the native ads? Are you going with the showing your banner ads to the different website? typical partner website. So what is the communication channel you use? This after this we will come to the value ladder. Value ladder in the sense, so how you define how you offering the product and your product to the customers. So no business will be depend upon the one product or services. It should not be depend upon one product or services. So it has to start. It should be after the line of the products. So what should be your first product? What should the second product, third product, and fourth? So it's like you want to start with the low end product and then to go with the like more margins or like more revenue type of the product, or you want to start with the middle of the product. Depend upon the customer side where they want to start with. Okay, in the sense like it's a very simple way, like you are giving the different product to the customer depend upon their interest. Like you are actually giving the different line of the product. So product line like and the price is also different because the value it offers also different. Maybe you are giving to the some more value and less price in the initial conversation because you want to build a trust with the customers, and then you are offering with the different product line. That is the way like most people run that, business run that. So it depends. So what value ladder you want to create. After this, it will come to the your KPIs. In this sense, key performance indicators. Depend upon the objective of the campaign. What is your KPI? So, like if you are running to the awareness campaigns, then like number of people you are reaching, that become the or number of people viewing, that become the KPIs to measure that. If you are like campaigns and consultation campaigns, then it becomes the what is the number of what is the likes you want to like people are liking your content or the product services or sharing with your content. That becomes the consultation campaigns. And the third one is conversions. Conversion is how many people are buying your product and like looking at your campaigns. So how much conversion is happening. So how much of money you are putting and how much conversion is it. This is like return on amount spent. That's what it speaks about. Okay. This is like one fact. After this it will come. Another thing is people. So what type of the skill set is required? What skill set? What are the skill set people are required to doing the campaigns? What people are required to the campaign? Like that is also like important. And then the tools we are using. So what tools we are using to run the campaigns and what automations we are using to campaigns. These are the important factors or the parameters. Whenever you do the campaigns, you should consider them. So as I mentioned, like when they like small and medium businesses or maybe the large businesses. So hope this content will be helpful to you that when you consider into the campaigns. Like if you can reach us if you want to any help on that, setting up the campaigns and running the campaigns. We will be happy to help you. Santosh here, like I am running the small digital marketing agency. My company is called Digital Mudra. Thank you.